Yo, let me tell you something. Hey, check it, I'm the best in the game, I'ma put you to rest. And unless you have something better than this, try to tell me something, you ain't nothing, you just frontin'. Bitch, I'm not just stuntin', I'm a winner like a winning. Yeah, and I'm getting, never am I forgiven. But I know what I'm living and I never was given it. I always got it, I got what I have now. Try to tell me something, I ain't never gonna back out. I'm maxed out to the death of me, and the rest of me is going into getting American currency. I ain't never gonna stop getting what I need to. I breathe you, ho. Try to tell me you don't need me, ho. Yeah, I know you need it, I know you need it, but you ain't never gonna get it. Get in the D and yo, P. Try to tell me something, tell me I'm not so amazing. I'ma tell you right now while I'm dabbing, I just blazing. Telling you I'm in the race and I'm winning the races. Yeah, I'm going on a quicker pace, living fast life shit. Yeah, I'm the trillest, getting everything, and I'm telling you I'm the realest in the game. I'm saying my name, you wanna blame me? Well, my name is Kanan, and try to do something to me. You ain't never seen how dope I am, how dope I can. Kill the game like a rhyme scheme. Motherfucker try to tell me I'm not quite mean enough to do it all, enough to do it all better than you all. I tell you I never fall, yo bitch I give a call. She tryna suck my dick and she want up on my balls. Getting that shit sweaty, I know she really want it. I'm the bestest, I'm the best. All these whack ass fools on Facebook try to tell me something, try to tell me you the greatest. You were hated by everybody, it's a D-Lo thing though. Cause your bitch is all up on your dick like you a hoe. But you ain't really gonna get it, put your life in slow-mo. You ain't never gonna have nothing more than you have right now. Bitch, I will kill you and take your crown. Look at me, my skin, it is not brown. But I'm telling you, I'm the motherfucking illest in the game. To say everything is not sane, it's insane. I've been sane, I've been the fucking greatest since the beginning of time. I'm telling you my rhymes, they might not be the lyrically best right now, but I'm young up in the game and I'ma tell you how, just how I'ma get it, how I'ma be the winner. Try to tell me I ain't gonna get it all, you nothing but a motherfucking stunner, getting everything, that's a lie, motherfucker. I'm in the booth, no, it's a freestyle in my room, cause I just gotta do what I gotta do to get my name up out there. Man, I'm cleaning you up, get the broom, I tell you you're doomed, it's coming real soon. Try to take me out my place, I'm in tropical paradise like Cancun. Bitch, bitch. Hey, and I got it all up in my mind, I'm getting on my grind, I'm not behind, I am in front of you all, standing on top of you like I fell from heaven. I know y'all represent the number right below 7 to the triple digit, but I know I'm winning and I'm getting, never forgetting. Never gonna forget it.